Subscribe our channel Al Said Quran Academy and press the bell icon. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Qari Abu Sa'id from Al Said Quran Academy. Today inshallah we are going to read page 32, the last page of Noorani Qaida. So before starting the video, if you or any of your family members are interested to learn Quran online, the number that is visible on the screen, you can contact us through WhatsApp. So without wasting time, we start our lesson. Dear viewers, page 32, and this page we have some words. Look into this word. These words are in the Holy Quran, but this is the writing shape, okay? But whenever we see these words in the Holy Quran, we can read like this, okay? We can read in a writing shape, but the reading is different from the writing shape, okay? I'm going to show you, inshallah. You will understand well. Look at here. Look into this word. This word is, the first word is Hamza, the second word is Noon, and the last one is Hamza, Alif again. But if we think, we read this word like this, Ana, but not, we can read, but special, we read this word like this, Ana, without the last Alif, okay? But in the Holy Quran we see this word like in this shape, okay? But we can read in this shape. The reading is changed from the writing shape, okay? But we read this word like this, Ana. Look at the second word. In the Holy Quran we see this word Yab Soto. Sod, on the Sod we see Sin as well. But we can't read Sod here. We read like this, Yab Soto. Understand? The third word, in the Holy Quran we see this word, okay? Afa in. We see after Fa Alif as well. But we can read here Alif, Afa in. We can read like that. We read Afa in. Understand? The next word, La ilallah. After Lam we see Alif here. But we can read Alif here. La. We can read like this. But we must read La ilallah. Okay? The second, Tabu'a. Look at the end we have Alif here, but we can read Alif, okay? We read like that, Tabu'a, okay? Next word, Bastatan. Here we have Sod and on the Sod Sin, but we can read Sod, but we read just Sin, okay? Here, Bastatan. The second one is Mala'ihi. After Lam, here is Alif. But we can read Alif here, okay? We read like this, Mala'ihi, okay? Without Alif. Next, La'awda'u. But here after Lam is Alif. But we can read Alif, okay? We read La'awda'u, not La'awda'u, okay? The next word is Thamuda. Here is Alif at the end, but we can read this Alif. We read Thamuda. Understand? The next is Layar Buwa. At the end here is Alif, but we can read this. We read like this, Liyar Buwa. The next word is Litat Luwa. At the end we have Alif. We can read like this, Litat Luwa. No, it's wrong. Litat Luwa. Understand? The next word is Lan Nad'uwa. At the end is Alif here, but we can read Alif. Lan nad'uwa we read, okay? The next word is Li shay'in, okay? Here is Alif, but we if we read in this shape, we read Li shay'in, but it's wrong. We read Li shay'in, okay? The next word is Lakinna. No, we can't read Alif here. We read like this, Lakinna. The next, La adbahannahu. Here is Alif. La adb. No. We read La adbahannahu, not La adbahannahu. Okay. Next, la ilal jahim. Not, we can read la. La ilal jahim, okay? The next, liyabluwa. No, we can read wa, but liyabluwa. Understand? The next is nabluwa. We can read alif here. We read nabluwa. Okay? The next word is la antum. But we can read la. We read la antum. Okay? The next word is salasila. But we can read la. Salasila. Understand? The next one is qawarira. But it's wrong. We read qawarira. Understand? The last one is malaihim. But we can read mala. We read malaihim. Okay? But these words are in the Holy Quran. If you see, here they have written the name of surah as well. Yabsutu, this word is in the Surah Baqarah. Afa'in, this word is in Surah Ali Imran. La ilallahi, this word is in Surah Anbiya. I hope inshallah you understand this topic well.